Hi children, Namaste. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, கண்ணு நீங்க எல்லாரும் homework எல்லாம் finish பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Okay, today subject is maths. Today subject is maths. Okay, கண்ணு இப்போ நம்ம கிளாஸ்க்கு போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம motivation. Shall we go to motivation? One rhymes, okay? All clap your hands. Clap, clap. Okay, shall we go to rhymes? Okay, 1, 2, Bakamelsu, 3, 4, shut the door, 5, 6, pick up stick, 7, 8, leather stain, 9, 10, pit pat can. Again one time, clap your hands, all of you clap. Again one time, all of you say one rhymes. Okay, 1, 2, Bakamelsu, 3, 4, shut the door, 5, 6, pick up stick, 7, 8, leather stain, 9, 10, pit pat can. Very good. Clap your hands, all of you. Clap. Okay, first of all, go to oral. Today we are going to learn about 1 to 101 to 200. Okay, bakandi ipo adukku before நம்ம recall பண்ண போறோம். 1 to 100 நம்ம first recall பண்ணிட்டு next go to 101 to 150. Okay, all of you say take the book, page number 27. Page number 27. All of you take the book, page number 27. All of you open your book. All of you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 after 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 after 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 after 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 after 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Next 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Already you know. Okay. You next shall we go to numbers 101 to 150. Okay, 101 to 150. All look at the blackboard. All of you say 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Okay, all of you say one time 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Next 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Again, shall we say one times 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Very good. Next 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Again, shall we say 120 and 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Next 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. All of you say one times. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Next 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. All of you say one time. All of you say 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Next 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Next 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Next 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Next 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Okay, already numbers 100 ல இருந்து 150 மட்டும் இப்ப நாம ஓர சொல்லிட்டோம். Next shall we go to next shapes. நம்ம என்ன போறோம், நம்ம படிக்கிறது ஓரல நம்ம இப்ப 4 shapes நம்ம ஒரு ஸ்பெல்லிங்கோட படிக்க போறோம். 4 shapes நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், ஸ்பெல்லிங்கோட நம்ம read ஸ்பெல்லிங்கோட நம்ம spell the name சொல்ல போறோம். ஒவ்வொரு shapesக்கும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண சொல்ல போறோம், shapes. So first shapes circle. First shapes circle. What is this? Circle. This is a circle. What is this? This is a circle. Circle ல என்னது, circle நம்ம இருக்கும். நம்ம வீட்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா வெச்சுங்க பிஸ்கட் சர்க்கிள் ஷேப்ல இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி பால் நம்ம பார்க்கறோம் இல்ல, பால் என்ன ஷேப்ல இருக்கும், சர்க்கிள் ஷேப்ஸ்ல இருக்கு. அதான் சர்க்கிள். C I R C L E circle. C I R C L E circle. C C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Next one, triangle. What says triangle? What says triangle? T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Next is square. This square. S Q U A R E, square. S Q U R A R E, square. S Q U A R E, square. Next rectangle. Next rectangle. R E C T A N G L E, rectangle. R E C T A N G L E, rectangle. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. All of you say one time. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Again one time all of you say circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Next triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Next square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Next rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. R-E-C-T, rectangle. A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Are you understand? Okay, next shall we go to writing practice. Shall we go to writing practice? All of you say, take your workbook. All of take your workbook, page number. All of finish the page homework 68, 69. All of after write the after numbers finish wrote. Next before number already wrote. Next you today now topic write the between number. Write the between number. Page number 70. All of take your workbook, page number 70. Write the between number. Write the between number. Between numbers. Or page number 17. All take your workbook, page number, write the between number. Okay. First number between number na ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு இடையில இருக்குது. இப்ப 1-2 சாரி 1-3 between number 1 க்கு 3 க்கு between இருக்கிற நம்பர் என்னது? What number? 2. What number? 2 is the between number. Okay, are you understand? Next 2. All of you say we write the between number. Write the between number. Take the book, page number 70. Class work only write. Okay, after you write the homework, you write home. Okay, write the class work. First row kanne First row, write the between number first row. Okay, va? This is say 3, 5. 3, 5. What between number 3, 5? What between number 4? 3, 4. What between number 3? 3 after 4. 5 before number 4. 3 after 4. By before number 4. This is a between number 4. 3 and 5 between number 3 and 5 between number 4. Next 5 and 7. 5 and 7. What between number? What? 7, 5. Between number what? Between number 6. What between number 6? 6. 5 after 6. 7 before number 6. 5 after 6. 7 before number 6. Next 17 and 19. What between number? Nadu number. What between number? 18. What between number? 18. Next 6, 8. What between number? 6 and 8. What between number? 7. Next 10 and 12. 10 dash 12. What between number? 11. Next 24 dash 26. What between number? 25. Next 21 dash 23. What between number? 22. Next 16 dash 18. What between number? 17. What between number? 17. Next first row finished. First row finished.
தடல்ல இங்க பாருங்க வந்து பாருங்க தடல்ல.
What between number 16 and 18. What between number 17. First row you finished. All are first row you finished. Next second row 21 23 18 20 7 9 13 15 30 32 41 43 35 37 44 46 46. What? 21 dash 23. What between number? What between number? 22. 22. Next 18 dash 20. 18 dash 20. What between number? 19. What between number? 19. Next 7 dash 9. 7 dash 9. What between number? 8. What between number? 8. Next 13 dash 15. 13 dash 15. What between number? 14. Next 30 dash 32. 30 dash 32. What between number? 31. 31. Between number 31. Next 41 dash 43. 41 dash 43. What between number? 42. 42. Next 35 dash 37. 35 dash 37. What between number? 36. Next 44 dash 46. 44 dash 46. What between number? 45. Okay, are you right? You finished the classwork. You finished the classwork. This row you finished. You write the homework. You write homework. Okay, this homework you write. Okay, next page 71. Write backward counting. Backward counting. இது என்ன பண்ணணும்? இது பார்த்து backward 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45. இதை பார்த்து இந்த row பார்த்து இந்த rowல you write. Okay, you see this row after you write this row. Okay, next அதே மாதிரி homework same. Homework class work homework ரெண்டுமே இதை பார்த்து அப்படியே எழுத வேண்டியதான். Next page all take the next page. Place value. Place value. first place value. பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ கண்ணு இப்போ நம்ம இந்த மணிச்சட்டை மாதிரி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா கண்ணு மணிச்சட்டை இதில் ஒவ்வொரு பீட்ஸும் ஒவ்வொரு மணிச்சட்டத்துலேயும் பீட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அதில் நம்ம ஒவ்வொன்று கவுண்ட் பண்ணி நம்ம இது பண்ண போகிறோம் ஓகேவா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோ திஸ் ரோ யூ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ ரைட் இங்கே நம்ம அங்கே ஆல்ரெடி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க கவுண்ட் பண்ணி 1 2 3 4 5 இங்கே ஆல்ரெடி அங்கே 5 யூ ரைட் அங்கே ரைட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு நெக்ஸ்ட் மணிச்சட்டை நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு இந்த ரோ பார்க்குறோம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு அங்கே ஆல்ரெடி 5 how many feet 1 2 3 4 5 யூனிட்ஸ் ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் மணிச்சட்டத்தில் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அபாக்கஸில் பார்ப்போம் இது How many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units. 7 units. எத்தனை யூனிட்ஸ் இருக்குங்க 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units. Next units. 1, 2, 3. How many units? 1, 2, 3. How many beads? 3 beads. How many beads? 3 beads. First row la 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. Next row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads. Next row 1, 2, 3 beads. Next no. அதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறதுங்க dash 0. Next 0. Next kanna first row you finished 5 how many beads 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 you write next you how many beads 1 2 3 beads this many idla abacusல இதல 1 இல்ல அதனால இங்க 0 okay next this row kanna 1 2 okay next all of you say how many beads this abacus row 1 2 next 1 2 3 4 5 6 next 1 2 3 4 next one 1 you count and write okay 1 2 next 1 2 3 4 5 6 you write next 1 2 3 4 next 1 okay next okay children you write all right next last one Okay. Now let me say and count and write 1, 2, 1, 2. Next beats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beats. Next, how many beats? 1, 2, 3. 3 beats. Next, how many beats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. Are you right? Okay. Are you right? Are you right, Kanne? Rub the board. Okay, Kanne. First, shall we go to numbers name. Oral. Numbers name. Only oral. Okay, Kanne. Next class, write the numbers name. Okay. This numbers name only. Numbers name. Okay. O N E 1. T W O 2. T H R E E 3. F O U R 4. Next F I V E 5. You write the note. Okay, all take your note. ஓரல் சொல்லிட்டு அப்புறம் நோட்லயே எழுதிடலாம். ஓகேவா கண்ணு? அதனால டேக் யுவர் லைன்ஸ் நோட்ல ONE 1 ONE 1 ONE 1 TWO 2 TWO 2 THREE 3 THREE 3 FOUR 4 FOUR 4 FIVE 5 FIVE 5. Next SIS 6 SIS 6 SEVEN 7 EIGHT 8 NINE 9 TEN 10 TEN 10. Okay. Let me say SIS 6 SEVEN 7 EIGHT 8 NINE 9 TEN 10. Okay. All take your note. Let me say and write. Okay. ONE 1 ONE 1 ONE 1 ONE 1. Are you right? Next. Are you right? ONE 1. Next. TWO 2 TWO 2 TWO 2 TWO 2 TWO 2 TWO 2. Are you right? 2. Next. Next number 3. THREE 3 THREE 3 THREE 3 THREE 3 THREE 3 THREE 3. Next FOUR 4 FOUR 4 FOUR. Are you right? Next FIVE 5 FIVE 5 FIVE 5 FIVE 5. Next number SIS 6 SIS 6 SIS 6 SEVEN 7 SEVEN 7 SEVEN 7 EIGHT 8 EIGHT 8 EIGHT 8 EIGHT 8 NINE 9 NINE 9 TEN 10 TEN 10. Okay, are you right? Homework கண்ணு. 10. Next, write book page number. What book page number? Seventy-one. Okay. 71. Okay. Thank you, children. Dhanyavad ji. Bye.